So today it's all about steak. So I've got a beautiful ribeye here. We're going to cook it just really simply with a little bit of butter, some garlic, some thyme, and hopefully I'll share some techniques along the way. So this is a ribeye, so arguably probably my favourite cut of steak, just because it's got all this lovely fat running through it. It's got the lovely marbling on it, which will all melt as it cooks, just adding to the flavour. So you want your pan on nice and hot, so full gas, a little bit of rapeseed oil. You don't need too much, just a little bit. So for the steak, we're going to be quite generous with the salt, and then straight into the pan. So you want that nice frying away, and we're probably going to leave that for about 3 minutes on that side. So now it's in the pan, I'm just going to season the other side. So that's at about 3 minutes, so we're just going to turn it over. Now we're just going to add some butter, some garlic, and just a little bit of thyme. So I'm looking for this to be medium rare, so it's probably going to take about 3 minutes on this side as well. So a general way to tell how the meat is sort of cooked, so if you prefer it rare, medium well, well done, is if you take your hand and then you press just into that bit there, so that would be rare. That would be medium rare, that would be medium, that would be medium well, and that would be well done. So that's been about 3 minutes on that side. So I'm just going to rest it on this plate for probably 3 or 4 minutes. So that's my how to cook a steak, nice and simple, nice and easy. And remember, if you want it cooked a little bit more, just cook it longer. If you want it cooked a little bit less, don't cook it as much. Couldn't be simpler. Enjoy.